Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the set C of the question paper and we'll be focusing today on question number 44. So let's start off with the question. The question is that if we consider the ordinary differential equation y double dash plus p of px into y dash plus q of x into y is equal to 0, where p and q are smooth functions, and if y1 and y2 are any two solutions of the ordinary differential equation, then w of x, which is the corresponding Wronskian, then we have to find out that which of the following statements are true. Now, if y1 and y2 are linearly dependent, then there exist x1 and x2 such that Wronskian of x1 is equal to 0 and Wronskian of x2 is not equal to 0. This is option 1. Option 2 is if y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then Wronskian of x is equal to 0 for all x. Option 3 is if y1 and y2 are linearly dependent, then Wronskian of x is not equal to 0 for all x. And option 4, if y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then Wronskian of x is not equal to 0 for all x. This is what we know. So therefore, let's start off with the question. The question is that we have an ordinary differential equation y double dash plus px of px y dash plus qx y is equal to 0. P and q are smooth functions, and y1 and y2 are the two solutions of the given ordinary differential equation. And we have been also given the Wronskian is the corresponding Wronskian is w of x. So we need to check out the conditions relationship between that will exist between the Wronskian if y1 and y2 are linearly independent or dependent. So let us start off. Now, here it is given that y1 and y2 are solutions to the ODE, that is the ordinary differential equation. The ordinary differential equation that we have been given is y double dash plus p of x into y dash plus q of x into y is equal to 0. This is the ordinary differential equation that we have been given, and we have been given that w of x is the corresponding Wronskian. Now if it is the corresponding Wronskian, then we have that if we have that y1 and y2 are linearly independent if and only if Wronskian of y1 y2 is not equal to 0. This is the first condition for Wronskian, and the second condition is that if y1 and y2 are linearly dependent if and only if Wronskian y1 y2 is equal to 0. This is the second condition. And the fourth condition that we'll get is that w of x is either equal to 0 or w of x is not equal to 0 on the interval I. So this structure basically means that Wronskian w of x does not change sign. So if it is positive, it is always positive. If it is negative, it is always negative, or it will be 0. It will be not that it is some, for y of x1 it is 0 and y of y1 it is not equal to y of x2 it is positive, negative. It is not like that. Either both will be positive, both will be negative, or both will be 0. This is the thing that they are corresponding over here, they are saying over here. So now we have been given that in option A, we have been given that if y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then there exist x1 and x2 such that Wronskian of x1 is equal to 0 and Wronskian of x2 is not equal to 0. This is not possible. From this option, from 1, we can say that this is not true. Okay, this is what we have got. Now for the second, it has been given that if y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then Wronskian of x is equal to 0 for all x. This is also, if we use the condition 1 that we know, this is also wrong. Now for the third question, it has been given that Third option is y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then Wronskian of x is not equal to 0. Now we have been said that in option B, if y1 and y2 are linearly dependent, so that means that Wronskian of y1 y2 is equal to 0. But here you can say that it is equal to 0, so therefore we can definitely say that from 2 this option has been neglected. Now if y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then Wronskian of x is not equal to 0 for all x. This is correct from 1. If we use the option 1, then this option is correct. So therefore we can say that the correct option is option 4. Option 4 is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 44 from the UGC NET GRF exam question, which was conducted in June of 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.